Hi everybody, Kyle Olson, Beyond Homes team and Keller Williams Classic Realty Northwest. First of all, thank you for taking a few moments to check out our March newsletter. Last month we focused on the buy side and the importance of a pre-approval. This month I wanted to hop over to the other side and talk about sellers. Inventory levels are at 10-year lows. So what that means is that the current number of homes for sale has not been as low as it is currently in the last 10 years. And when I talk to people who have been in this business longer than I have, they say that they have not seen a seller's market like this since the late 90s. So it really is the best time to sell a home in the last 20 years. So I wanted to take a minute today to talk about our approach to selling a home. And it's an approach that's been proven since the beginning of 2015 to sell homes for 3% higher than market average and 3 times faster. So that really allows our clients to maximize their time and money. We've identified 4 key components to the home selling process, each being equally as important as the other, and they're preparation, pricing, promotion, and execution or follow through. So in the preparation stage, that happens very early on. We walk through the house, we talk about some work that could be done. It's kind of when the honey-do list, it's when it becomes due. So it could be new paint, it could be carpet, it could be something as simple as switching out a light fixture, switching out hardware on a cabinet. And we also think that portion of this process or that component of this process is so important that we pay for a stager to come in and go through a 2 or 3 hour consultation to see how we can make your home as appealing to the broadest spectrum of buyer as possible. The next is pricing. It's not only a number, but it's a strategy. So we take a look at what recent comparable homes have sold for in your area. And we also, based on when you want to be out or what you want to accomplish, we come up with a strategy. So a perfect example of this is our most recent sale in Eden Prairie. It's a neighborhood where every 3rd home is the same. And based on the comparables, there's no way we should have sold for more than $260 because that's what every other one sold for. We looked at that and we said, you know what, there's nothing else for sale out there right now. Let's go on at $264.9. And sure enough, it sold at $273. So if we had just relied on the comparable homes, they would have left $13,000 on the table. The next component is promotion. In our mind, promotion really starts with photography. I'm sure you've all seen some listings online where the agent's phone or finger was over the camera on their phone when they were taking the pictures. We've partnered with a local photographer who in his career has photographed over 12,000 homes. He is phenomenal. Then we also take advantage of all the traditional means of advertising. We put a sign in the yard, we put it on MLS. You can find our listings on Realtor, Trulia, Zillow, all the big websites, but we also take non-traditional approaches. It could be target Facebook advertising, it could be reverse prospecting, and it shows up in our results. Again, our listings sell for 3% higher than average and 3 times quicker. The last component is execution or follow through. So if we've done our job with the top 3, we're going to get an offer. Once that offer is signed, our work is not done, however. It's being able to navigate any post-inspection negotiations. If we run into, believe it or not, we're still running into an appraisal issue here or there. It's being able to work through that. Any title issues, making sure that the buyer's financing is solid. If we have a close date set out there, we work diligently from the time we get an offer till that date to make sure that there aren't any surprises, and our sellers or you can move on with your plans after closing on your home. So 2016 is going to shape up to be a great year to sell a home. Obviously, we would love the opportunity, if you know of anybody thinking about selling this year, to earn that business. And we think our results speak for themselves. So if you do know of anybody, please don't keep us a secret. Reach out, 612-251-1515, or you can find us on the web at beyondhomesmn.com.